Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make text fit in a cell or column in Google Sheets. If you've ever dealt with long text that spills over or gets cut off in your spreadsheet, this quick fix will help you display everything neatly within your cells. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log into your Google account using your credentials. This will take you to your Workspace dashboard where all your Google apps and files are accessible. From the Workspace dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to make the text fit properly in the cells. This opens up your Google Sheets document and brings you directly into the editing view where you can make adjustments to your data. Now take a look at your spreadsheet. You might notice, just like in my example, that some cells contain long text that doesn't fit within the column width. The text either gets cut off or spills over into adjacent cells, which can make your data look messy and hard to read. To fix this, click on the column header that contains the data you want to adjust. This selects the entire column, ensuring that any formatting changes you make will apply to all cells within that column. With the column selected, look toward the top toolbar. Here you'll find the text wrapping icon, which typically looks like 3 lines with arrows. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with different wrapping options. From this menu, select the wrap option. This setting tells Google Sheets to automatically adjust the row height so that all the text fits within the column width, breaking the text into multiple lines if necessary. And that's it. You'll immediately see that the text is now wrapped and fits neatly within the column. No more cut-off words or messy overflow. Your data is now organized and much easier to read, making your spreadsheet look more professional and functional. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.